Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna be repainting this. Alright, so the original paint right here was for cement, okay, and started just coming off. So it only lasted kind of a year and then we had to repaint it anyways. Right now we ran out of that paint, so here you guys can see how bad it is. And we're actually gonna use something that we haven't used before on concrete. That's not actually made for concrete. So right now you guys can see how it was. Alright, so this is exactly how it looks like. We're gonna use this asphalt. So this is not made for concrete, this is made for asphalt, for your driveway, and this is how it is. So it's all chunky, and then once you guys mix it up, it's all good to go. Once it's all good to go, we're gonna start up cutting. So we're just gonna do the edges of it, okay, all the way around, and then we're actually gonna start painting this whole thing. Now the roller I'm using is just from dollar store, really cheap. Now asphalt paint's really cheap, that's why I'm using it, trying to see if this will actually last, or maybe it just lasts a year. However, the price is really good. This is how it looks like after painted. So right now it's nice and fresh, and I'm gonna show you some shots of after one day. Okay, so right now it's nice and fresh. I'm gonna do some close-ups so you guys can see how it looks like if you guys try this at home. If you guys have questions or you guys want to know how this turned up, right now this is one day after this shot right here. Okay, so if after one day of no rain, this is how it looks like. All right, so if you guys have any questions, or if it's been a year after this video has been published, or maybe 2 or 3 years, or however many months, just look up the date that this video was published, and from then just ask me, oh, how's it turning up? Did it, peel off? Did it last through the winter? What's the difference between this and concrete paint? Well, I can tell you right away, this is matte. It's a matte finish versus the concrete paint always had that glossiness to it. So it was a little bit glossy. This, I feel that it's, well, I never felt that it was slippery, the concrete paint itself. However, this, since it has that matte finish, it just looks like it wouldn't be as slippery, although the other one wasn't slippery at all. Anyways, for now it looks good. I like how it looks like in the end. And like I mentioned, if a few months after you guys see this video, a few weeks, just ask me away if it's still what I recommended or what happened to it. I will answer your questions right here below in the comments area. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.